How to pinpoint multiple locations on Google Map. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily pinpoint multiple locations on Google Maps. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your favorite web browser and search for maps.google.com, or you can just simply search for Google Maps and click on the first link that you see. Once you land on the homepage of Google Maps, you'll just have to make sure that you are logged into your account. So you can just click on the top right corner to log in with your Google account. So once you are logged in, the first thing you need to do is bring out the menu section on the left hand side of your screen. So just click on it. Now, once you do that, you'll find different options here. So what you want to do is create your own place where you can pinpoint multiple locations. Because if you try to point out on a location here like this, it could only pin one point. So if I move my pin to other location, as you can see, the pin is no longer there. So what you want to do here is click on Saved. Now click on Maps, and then click on Open My Maps. So you'll have an option to create your own map. Now here you can just click on Create a New Map and click on Create. Now you can name your map. So just click on this and rename this layer. So you can name your map, give it a new name. And then from here, click on any location that you want to add to your map. So just click on Add to Map. Now it has been pinned to your map. So I'm just going to move around, select a different location. So for example, this Freedom Plaza, I'm just going to click on it and add this to map as well. So as you can see, the list of the places that I have added to the map will be shown on the left side of your screen. So that's how you pin multiple locations on Google Maps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.